Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, it is Mother's Day. First of all, I want to wish all the beautiful mothers and mother-like figures a very happy Mother's Day. But you know what? It is like a sad thing to celebrate this one day. क्योंकि माँ का कोई एक दिन नहीं होता है, माँ से ही तो दिन होता है. आप ही बताइए माँ के बिन कौन सा दिन होता है. But the reality is we often forget about her contributions, her endless efforts and sacrifices. और इसीलिए ज़रूरत है इस दिन को मनाने की, क्योंकि हम भूल जाते हैं. And it is a day to acknowledge her, to acknowledge their efforts and their sacrifices and to make her feel special. Tell her that they are special and whatever they have done for us. And you know what, I used to write and speak on different topics, as you have seen. If you are the older one, the audience of my channel, you know I speak and come up with different topics. But when it comes to mother, you know I was just short of words, क्योंकि मेरे पास वो शब्द नहीं जो माँ के बारे में बता सके. मैं इतनी काबिल कहाँ कि उस अतुल्य रचना को शब्दों में बयां कर सकूं. एंड इट्स अ रियलिटी नॉट ओनली फॉर मी, फॉर एवरीवन, कि हम अपनी माँ को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, बट इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू ब्रिंग द थिंग्स इन वर्ड्स. बट एटलीस्ट वी कैन ट्राई, है ना. हम कोशिश कर सकते हैं उनको बताने के लिए कि हाउ स्पेशल दे आर. So I have brought some small ideas that you can do, especially during this pandemic, क्योंकि आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते and you cannot buy gifts for her, and that is an outdated idea. You know, better than gifts, we can make her feel special by doing some small stuff. तो क्या करना है आपको? Some easy things. The first idea I want to share is you can make a love box, and you know all the women and girls and all, they just love all such stuff. So for the love box you can use one we can say older one or some waste material even we can use. We can take one box, you can just make it paste some colorful papers, and or you can add something, and then you have to cut small strips and just straight from your heart you have to write something for your mother, small taglines. And that strips you can have many, 5, 10, 15 as what you want, and you can put that into a box. Make sure don't Google it. Google is not knowing about your emotions every time. You have to write genuine lines, what you feel for your mother, what she is doing for you, and just thank her, and write the lines into small strips and put into a box, gift it to her, and tell her to take out one by one every day, or today whole day she can do this activity. So it will surely make her feel special. Then if you are good at creativity, you can design a badge with a tag world's best mom, or whatever lines you are having. You can have a sachet, and you can even make a crown, and whatever all these things you are doing, no, make sure you do this in front of the whole family, so that she should feel super special. Honor her and tell everybody to contribute, because it is her job. She is every time serving everybody in family and doing all the stuff. So it is your duty today to make her feel special. Okay, and make sure it is not for one day. Every day, she deserves all the love, and you just try it expressing every day. And you can have a customized mug. It is very popular. No need to go out and buy and get it designed. You can design at home if you have got colors and all. You can take an old one and you can design it and put a message and a tag, and you can gift it to her. And you can be a chef, bake a cake or something. Make sure कि you are doing this with the guidance of elders if you are the younger one. Otherwise मम्मा खुश तो नहीं होगी, but बेलन ज़रूर पड़ जाएगा आपको. Okay, so at your own risk you have to do this another activity. She will get some rest from kitchen, as well as it will be a special thing if you are serving her. So these were some of the tips from my side you can do for your mother. And apart from this few lines, what I want to say is वैसे तो तुमने मुझे जीवन दिया, मुझे नाम दिया, लेकिन अगर मुझे कहा जाए आज तुम्हें नाम देने के लिए तो वो है सुकून. And it's really true that no one can express, no one can define it. When you sit with your mom, gossip, everything we can say is underrated. We can leave everything, the food of 5-star hotels and all the comforts we can leave, and sitting in her lap and listening all the stories of here and there, that is very special. So that is a special thing which we are getting from a mother. ये मेरी माँ है जो जब मैं स्कूल से लौटती हूँ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई स्कूल लाइफ, इट्स अबाउट जॉब प्लेस. व्हेन आई रिटर्न, जब मैं स्कूल से लौटती हूँ मुझे दरवाजे पे ही मीनू सुनाती है. हाँ, ये मेरी माँ है जो अपने आंसू छुपा के मुझे हंसाती है, अपना दर्द छुपा के अपने बच्चों को हंसाती है. हाँ, यही है माँ. सारी दुनिया आजमाती है और बहुत सी शर्तों पे प्यार दिखाती है, लेकिन ये माँ है जो बिना किसी शर्त पे बेइंतहा प्यार लुटाती है. एंड दैट इज़ द ओनली मदर कैन डू दिस वर्क. एंड यू नो वॉट, इफ आई आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, I could have asked in the beginning that which is the toughest job in the world. There are many difficult jobs like night shifts and more working hours, and there are different conditions people are struggling. But when it comes to the toughest job, it is the job of a mother, role of a mother. That is a designation with 24/7 hours you are on duty, all the 365 days with no paid leaves, and you know the special thing, you are not paid at all. And that is done with a wide smile on the face. That is strange thing. ये एक माँ ही कर सकती है, बिना किसी शिकायत के, बिना किसी रिटर्न के. Only she is the giver, the true giver we can say. So please, it's your duty that make her feel special. Little bit from her side we can do. We cannot pay for it. We cannot pay for it, but at least we can try from her side. It's something we can do to make her feel special. So this is a day, a chance for you to make something, to do something for her, and make sure it is not for one day. More important it is that every day it's our duty to make her feel special, and she deserves all this. I hope you got the message. You are going to apply this, then only it matters, and share with others so that others can also learn, and some tips they can go for it. Okay, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel if you have not done yet, and share with all, and stay connected for the upcoming videos. Goodbye.